right, so our next day in France starts with my husband singing and dancing to his favorite song, The Safety Dance by Men Without Hats. Unfortunately, because of copyright, I cannot include it in here, but here's him having fun. So this day we went to Chambord Castle, which is one of the biggest castles that we actually went to. It was under construction in the front, so there was a lot of scaffolding, which sucked, but the inside was beautiful and huge. And so were some other things. So this stairwell, they don't know who built this castle, who the architect was, but it was heavily influenced by Leonardo da Vinci. He was alive around this time, which I think is super cool. The outside was beautiful. Oh, hey, it's us. And it had this really cool courtyard. Again, we got super lucky with beautiful weather. So after Chambord, we went to Chateau de Cheverny. This is actually just like a house. It's not a castle. It's just like someone's residence. This is a little bit newer. I think it was from maybe the 1700s. And look, I'm in a picture. So at the end of the day, we finished with a couple of glasses of wine in Tours. This was a really cool old square that's super historic. All of these buildings are original. And it was another great day. I hope you like this. Keep following me if you want to see more.